Hi guys, welcome to the chickens channel. Should we go and see them? Let's go. Hello Ange, what do you want? Snacks? Sweetheart. Sis. 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 Come on girl. Oh, come in that helmet. Come on. Sis. Oh, sweet. Hey. You good? Hey. Yeah, you have some dog boy. There you go, that's enough. No more. See, feeder is there now. Just need to put more in. I'll do that when they come fit. Because otherwise they won't want it. I mean, you've eaten that quickly, darling. No more though. You've eaten quite a lot. You had quite a lot yesterday. Oh, we got a wet pigeon. Oh. It's alright. Please don't chase it, it's funny. Because they can fly away. Steve, what is it? It's a woody. I would love to see what would happen. Hi, bird. Oh, I got another one. Blimey. We've got two now. What is it? Chrissy's like, what is that? It's your kind, but different. They're more flyable ones. Like chickens can fly, but not very much. So now, ta-da! In it is. Here it is. Everything's in. Hopefully soon I won't be doing this because there's been it's like a trapdoor, but it isn't a trapdoor. It's to seal this bit off at night, and then I won't have these in there. I'll put a divider in there, but a removal in. Which I can take out their water supply. You drink a lot, well they are laying eggs. So that's all clean, that's put together. I've missed a few poos, but I can quickly get those and put them in there. And they'll be soon going to bed in maybe 20 minutes. Hey girls. They can just enjoy the time they've got out. Sorry I didn't let you out this morning. It was a bit rainy. Look, what's that? What's that, Steve? You're not going to chase him, are you? Oh. What is it? I thought you guys would chase them. It's whatever they've left for corn. You're very brave, you two. Because, what is it? They've just noticed those two. They're not going to hurt you. They might come close. Steve? Steve? Don't do that. Don't scare them. He's saying this is mine, not yours. Well, that's the day in the life of a chicken. He did that to the jackdaws the other day. You'd be nice. I guess he's protecting his flock. They're not a threat, darling. Oh. Oh, girls. So we've got Chrissy, Gertrude, Olive, Steve, and Ange. They're very close, aren't they, girls? You're going to chase it again, Steve? You're going to chase it? Are you? You're going to chase her? It was so funny, wasn't it? There ain't much left, because the girls have eaten it, most of it. Guess you're hungry. On a Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, and on a Wednesday, Friday, well, on the short, on the Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Saturday, Sunday is the shorts, and on the Wednesday and Friday is the long ones, and on the Thursday of the short ones is the live stream, and on the 15th will be, of this month, another podcast, and that's monthly. What are you doing, you lot? Well, I'll see you later, girls. And they're still here, look. See you later, girls. Oh. Hello, everybody. I'm behind the camera. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi guys, thank you for watching the Chickens channel. Subscribe, like, share, and hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.